What if I told you there's a magic pill that could add years to your life, boost your mood, and make you look fabulous? Spoiler alert, it's not a pill, it's called exercise. We're talking about the kind of movement that gets your heart pumping, your muscles burning, and your spandex sweating. Hopefully not too much though, nobody wants that. In this video, we're diving into the science-backed benefits of exercise that could literally make you the oldest person in your future nursing home. Let's get moving! Did you know that regular exercise can add up to 7 years to your life? You heard right, 7 years. That's like an entire Game of Thrones series, except instead of dragons and betrayal, you get stronger muscles and a longer life. The reason? It's all about those little guys called telomeres. They're like the protective caps on your DNA strands, and the longer they are, the slower you age. According to a study published in the prestigious Journal of Aging Research, people who exercise regularly have longer telomeres than those who'd rather binge-watch reality TV. So, while your friends are aging like milk left out in the sun, you'll be aging like fine wine. It's like a gym membership comes with a free trip to the fountain of youth. Okay, let's talk about the mental health benefits of exercise, because who doesn't love a good mood boost? Exercise isn't just about looking good in a swimsuit. It's about feeling good on the inside, too. When you exercise, your brain releases these magical little chemicals called endorphins. Think of them as your brain's personal cheer squad, showering you with confetti and good vibes. Studies show that even a little bit of exercise can make a big difference in your mental well-being. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, leaving you feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle whatever life throws your way. Exercise is a powerful tool for managing stress, boosting your mood, and feeling happier overall. Exercise isn't just a mood booster and a fountain of youth, it's also a disease-fighting superhero. We're talking about preventing heart disease, diabetes, certain types of cancer, and a whole host of other health villains. Think of exercise as your own personal bodyguard, protecting you from the bad guys. According to the World Health Organization, regular physical activity can reduce your risk of chronic diseases by up to 50%. That's huge! It's like flipping a coin and having a 50-50 chance of avoiding some of the scariest health problems out there. So ditch the kryptonite. I'm looking at you, sugary snacks, and embrace the power of exercise. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll be able to fight off those health villains with the strength of 1,000 suns. Let's face it, none of us want to just live longer. We want to live better. We want to wake up feeling energized, conquer our to-do lists with the stamina of a superhero, and still have energy left over to enjoy life's simple pleasures. Regular physical activity not only adds years to your life, but it also adds life to your years. Think about it. You'll have more energy to play with your kids or grandkids, chase your dog around the park without getting winded, and maybe even keep up with that overachieving neighbor who seems to have an endless supply of energy. Exercise is like the ultimate life hack, helping you squeeze the most out of every single day. So are you ready to add years to your life and life to your years? Start small, take the stairs, dance like nobody's watching, or just chase your dog around the yard. Every bit counts. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, share it with your workout buddy, and hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips. Remember, exercise is like a relationship. It's all about commitment. And if you cheat, just don't tell your treadmill.